A very good morning to you all. Welcome to the Synergy Week Ahead video. Purpose of the video is to go over the markets through the lens that we look at identifying trade signals, which is a particular methodology. It involves harmonic patterns, it involves market cycles, and ultimately we bring these two principles together to give us high probability turning points in the market and having context as to what to expect next. Because if we're trading within a framework, if we have a 3 point framework, and if we've completed point one and two, it infers point three. That's basically what we're looking at here. So let's start on one that we've been building exposure into. This is GBP CAD. Now you can see this red crude drawing I've got here. This is ultimately that 3 point journey I'm talking about. One, two, and three. So if we can see one and two, we anticipate three. Right. Now try and get this pat down a bit here. So we can see one, we can see two. How do I know this is one and how do I know this isn't one? Well, this was at one point. This shows the fractalness of the market. This was one, this was two, and this was three. Reset. This is one. This is two. This is three. Reset consolidation. Now, within this, we can see one, two, anticipating a three. Sounds straightforward. It's not that straightforward. What we had here, we managed to get in around here, and we've had a massive expansion. Now, this is a W, retest one, break two, waiting for a retest to give us three. That's how we're looking at the markets. This is a great setup ultimately for us. We had weaker drop, drop, rise. May get another drop. Difficult to know. That can play out. But ultimately, I think this one's we're locked down upon it and we're looking to add as we rise here. So the other one that we got into was Euro CAD. Same thing, W, change, break, looking for that one, two, going to give us a three. Now, this is a similar sort of pattern, level one, level two. We're anticipating a big push up here to this little M. We will see if we get that. So these two are running trades. It's been pretty quiet other than that. We had a couple of losses in the month as well, which is always frustrating, but it's part of life. We've got this structure a little bit abstract. One, two, we're still a higher low, triple bottom. It could be a one, two, three to the low. I don't think so. Don't think so yet. No real entry opportunity for us, but it is making the right kind of move. So we've got a change and we had a break. So what that means is it's a high, 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 low. Not ready for me yet. Moving on. Right, the big boys, Euro USD, doing nice things here. Really nice things. Um, Now, if I am to believe this, which you have to see, you have to believe what your eyes have in front of you. We do have some sort of a structure here of a W. One, two, three. I do think we haven't had a proper retest back to here. That may happen for sure. Ultimately, I can't see an entry right here. This is all lovely, but I need to see the last lower high we have made. I need to see a breaker structure and a retest ultimately on this one. So it's not quite ready for me. GBP USD, similar kettle of fish. You can see the larger market cycle, level one, level two. We're trying to trade in line with it. We've got the change, retest. Um, Notice the descending, notice the slightly ugly ascending. It's just not worth risking money on that. GBP AUD, similar to Euro AUD, got the three-wave structure, all in control between here and here at the moment. No trade just now. Dollar basket took an absolute pasting. Dollar basket's going to be interesting here, folks. It's either going to massively accelerate lower and complete down here. If it does, that gives us a stronger foundation for the belief of this. Now that is just a little bit of a worry. We do have the structure high, 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 low, high, 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 low. Come down in an ABCD Gartley. That could absolutely kick off here. So it's really at tinterbox levels. We had inflation coming in lower. They held interest rates. They have said they're not going to raise in September. Is the market going to distort that and squeeze? We're not sure. Here's another one we're live in. NZD CAD. NZD CAD. You can see the pattern here. One, two, three. Big level one up. Known as the safety trade. We're trading out the lows of level one, and we're anticipating higher. This is good. This is good. We'll see how that one goes. Um, Otherwise, there's not a huge deal else. I mean, I was very much enjoying this was gave us 10, 15 pips, didn't play out. What are we doing here? So we've got the change. Anything above here is excruciatingly painful for any shorts. I think we're going to do an A, B, C, D down to here and then rebuild potentially. Um, Anything else worth showing you that's on my radar? Not really. I've gone over the main things here. Bitcoin, shall we? There's Bitcoin. One, two. Anticipating this to slip away. Lower again. Euro GBP is an old favorite. This is an amazing looking setup. One, two. My issue is we've come all the way back down to here. So this is still one, this is still two. It's still high, 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 low, high, 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 low. A, B equals C, D came down to here. Extension and stop loss. Trying to get back into that important range, which it is. Completed the A, B, C, D, came back, tapped it on the D point. So very nice pattern. USD CHF was another awesome pattern that I am still waiting. We've got the change, clear break, retest. Are we going to go? We'll find out this week. Crude oil pushed higher. I think that's going to have a massive correction because Donald Trump has cancelled all strikes on Iran. So risk assets will move higher. And that's about it, really, folks. I'm not going to bombard you. If you're interested in this type of analysis and service, click the link below if you're watching this on X. Otherwise, folks, look forward to reaching out next week with some trade ideas, beginning of the month. I wish you well. Cheers.